Welcome back. I want to show you what I have to do today. I have my Shaper workstation table, the adjustable height table. This is 3/4 inch MDF. I broke it in moving the other day. So I'm going to replace the top with a piece of 3/4 inch Baltic birch plywood. My challenge is the holes. I have a hole for the countersink bit, and I have a hole for the screw to pass through. This one, the screw to pass through broke off because the screw stuck on the workstation. So when this MDF broke here, I don't have that. So my challenge is, how do I line these holes up and get them perfect on this piece so it's gonna fit on the workstation perfect the first time? Well, I have a solution for that. I forgot what these were called. I was doing some research looking for them and I couldn't figure it out. I talked to some people and they said, oh, that's called a transfer pin. So I remember seeing these when I worked in a place a couple years ago. So a transfer pin, these particular ones come from Harbor Freight. This does from 3/32 to 1/2 inch. There's 28 pieces and this was less than $18 from Harbor Freight, plus tax. So I'm going to take this and I need to find what fits in the pass-through hole. So I'm going to take these, and this one maybe a little bit loose. They go up a size. That one's a little too tight. So this first one might have been the right size. That'll do the pass-through hole. Then I need to find the one for the countersunk hole because I'm missing that pass-through part. And that one fits tight in there. I could double-side tape this down or clamp that. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set this here. Now, if you had a hammer, a mallet, you could tap this or you could just push it with your hand. I got a piece of wood here. I'm gonna take this, line this up in the hole. That's the pass through. I'm just gonna slightly tap that, come over to the other one, tap that. And then I'm gonna take the larger one that has the countersunk hole. And these are like a dowel center or Brad point drill bit. It has a sharp point and you put that on there and that marks the center of that, okay? I'm just gonna make sure I put the point side down, which I think I did. Just retap those. Now, the challenge is, can you see the location of those points? But if I take a pencil and I fill the hole up and I draw a circle around it, now when I get to the drill press, I can see exactly where to put the Brad point drill bit in those holes, and that should help line these up perfect to match the old one that's not usable anymore that got damaged. So 28 piece transfer punch set, Harbor Freight, under $18, 28 pieces. That's awesome. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and that will help us keep doing videos knowing that you want to see these. So thank you for watching.